Hello everyone, welcome back. In previous session we have started to discuss about your third chapter, that is synthetic fiber and plastic. In previous session we have discussed about what is meant by fiber and what are the types of fiber. In this class, in this chapter, we are going to specially talk about the plastic and fibers which is synthetic. Okay, what is meant by synthetic? Synthetic is term basically referred to the man-made things. Okay, man-made. Okay. In terms of fiber, the fiber which is manufactured, produced by man artificially with the help of some chemical compounds, chemical substances are called as synthetic fibers. Okay, synthetic fibers. What that fibers are made up of? These fibers are made up of petrochemicals. What they are made up of? Petrochemicals. This petrochemical word you might have heard in terms of coal and petroleum. Yes, true. These petrochemicals are resembling with the one of the byproduct of the coal which is obtained from the coal mines. Okay? These petrochemicals are undergoing many chemical reactions, many processes so that it will converted into the synthetic fiber. Okay. Now, ये जो petrochemicals है, they are the different type of polymers. Okay, these are different type of polymers. They are undergoing a specific type of chemical process known as polymerization. What they are known as? Polymerization, so that they can form the synthetic fiber. Clear? Now, these synthetic fibers are different from each other by their specific characteristics. समझ में आया? क्योंकि in some cases the polymer is of only one type of monomer. ठीक है? The polymer और monomer का difference I have already explained you. Sometimes the polymer is made up of only one type of monomer, and sometimes the polymer is made up of two different type of separate monomers. Understand? On the basis of that, this process of polymerization vary from each other, and on that basis, the types of synthetic fiber which are produced are different. Okay? So, which are these synthetic fibers? These are, first you have rayon, then you have nylon, then you have polyester, and you have acrylic. You have acrylic. समझ में आया? So we will see one by one how these synthetic fibers are prepared and what are their applications in our day-to-day life. The first one is rayon. It is also referred as artificial silk. It is also referred as artificial silk. So the first artificial synthetic fiber is rayon. Rayon is also referred as the artificial silk. Do you know the history of silk? The silk was invented in a country, Japan, by that queen. But this invention of silk fiber was kept as a secret for many years and many years. At the end of 19th century, the scientists were successful to invent the synthetic fiber which is completely resembling to the silk. because silk is very fascinating. It fascinates to everyone. Silk, earlier in the few centuries ago, the silk fiber or silk clothes were the sign, symbol of the richness and prestige. So only selected people were using silk outfits at that time. But as soon as the invention of artificial silk, that is rayon, has taken place, from that time it becomes very popular because it is very easily available to every person. Silk is not completely synthetic fiber because it is the mixture of wood pulp and petrochemicals. Okay. Now this wood pulp and petrochemicals brought together and artificial silk were produced. Do you know how does it produce? These petrochemicals and wood pulp are mixed into the alkaline solution. It is mixed into the alkaline solution, say sodium hydroxide, to produce viscose. Okay. Then this viscose were heated at high temperature and allowed to pass through a metal container which was having a small hole called as spinneret. Okay. And this spinneret was like a container having small holes, very small holes. Through these holes, when this liquid was coming out, that time after getting cooled, it was converted into the silk thread. Understand? And these silk thread was so comfortable for every chemical reaction. Like, it can be dyed very easily. It can be used in other type of things, like other than dresses, saris, kurtis. It is used in many other material where fibers are using. For example, if you see the rayon, so its first use is make saris and dresses. Then it was mixed with wool. This we can say rayon plus wool used to produce winter clothes, जिसमें आपके shawls आ सकते हैं, sweaters आ सकते हैं, आपके gloves, आपकी caps, everything was there. Then it was also used in the carpets along with the wool. Then it is mixed with cotton and it is used in cushion. It is used in pillows. It is used in curtains and many more things. Along with this, rayon was also used to manufacture many ornamental things as well. Understand? So the invention of rayon has brought a revolutionary change in the world of fabric, because as it was easily available, it was costly, it can be dyed into any color, and सबसे important बात थी कि वो as compared to the mulberry silk, it was cheap in rate, so simple person can also afford it. That's why in very short period of time it becomes very popular among the society. समझ में आया? Do you understand about rayon? How does it produce? How does it converted into different type of fibers, and where do we use that? Clear? Now we will talk about the another synthetic fiber, that is nylon. Nylon was invented near about in the 1931 at that time, in that period. Nylon is the first fully synthetic fiber. इसका मतलब ये है कि ये कोई भी नेचुरल रिसोर्स या नेचुरल रॉ मटेरियल यूज करके नहीं बनाया गया है. ये पूरा का पूरा 100% सिंथेटिक पेट्रोकेमिकल से बनाया हुआ फाइबर है. अंडरस्टैंड. नाइलॉन इज ये जो वर्ड है नाइलॉन, इसमें भी NY है, दैट स्टैंड्स फॉर न्यूयॉर्क, एंड LON है, दैट स्टैंड्स फॉर लंडन. Because from these two places only the nylon has invented first in use. Understand? So by the combination of initial of these two countries, this fiber was named as the nylon. Understand? Nylon is a very vast used fiber. ऐसा कोई भी फैब्रिक का वर्ड नहीं है जिसमें आप नायलॉन यूज नहीं कर रहे हो. नायलॉन इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट इज रिंकल रेजिस्टेंट. यू नो रिंकल्स, कपड़े से रिंकल्स हो जाते हैं, जैसे कॉटन का कपड़ा लो आप बैठे हो तो पूरे पीछे से रिंकल आ जाते हैं. सो इट वॉज रिंकल फ्री. इट इज मॉथ एंड इंसेक्ट्स फ्री. देखो कभी कभी कबर्ड में हमने बहुत दिनों से ऐसे कपड़े फोल्ड करके रखे हुए तो उनमें इंसेक्ट्स अटैक कर देते या फिर मॉथ्स पे अटैक कर दे. इट डजंट हैपन इन केस ऑफ नायलॉन. ओके. along with that it less water absorbable, कम पानी सोखता है, इसीलिए ये जल्दी सूखता भी है और ज्यादा वाटर होल्ड करके रखता भी नहीं है. सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट इट इज मोर ड्यूरेबल दैन एनी अदर टाइप ऑफ फाइबर. मोर ड्यूरेबल मतलब इसकी लाइफ ज्यादा है. अंडरस्टैंड? जल्दी खराब नहीं होता. यू मे हैव नोटिस दैट कि कोई भी आपका एक ड्रेस है, बहुत ही हैवी फंक्शनल ड्रेस है, तो आप सिर्फ ओकेजनली पहनते हो उसे. बट some type of fabrics are getting started to damage after keeping it aside for longer period of time, है कि नहीं? So in this case of nylon it does not happen. It does not happen. कितनी भी सालों के लिए आप इसे रखो ये ऐसे की ऐसा ही रहता है. ओके. दूसरी बात इसकी जो स्ट्रेंथ है, इट इज नायलॉन इज स्ट्रॉन्गर देन दी आयरन. मतलब सपोज आपने 3 mm की नायलॉन की रोप ली और 3 mm की आयरन की वायर ली, 3 mm डायमीटर की, तो यू विल नोटिस दैट दिस नायलॉन रोप इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्गर देन दैट ऑफ दी आयरन और स्टील वायर. दैट्स व्हाई nylon is used in making the ropes. Nylon is used in making the ropes of the mountaineers. Mountaineers जो चढ़ने के लिए वो rope use करते हैं ना, climbing के लिए, to get the support. That is made up of nylon. Even the parachutes are also made up of nylon. The toothbrush के जो bristles होते हैं, then आपके कार के seat belts होते हैं, देन आपकी जो कर्टन्स होते हैं, अलग अलग टाइप की रोप्स होती है, जो मशीन को वाइंड करने के लिए जो बनाया गया वो रोप होता है, वो सारे नायलॉन से बने हुए होते हैं. बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दीज कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स नाउअडेज इट इज यूज्ड इन मेनी फील्ड. अंडरस्टैंड? प्लस इसकी और बात ये है कि इट इज लाइट इन वेट, इट इज शाइनी, इट इज लाइट इन वेट, इट इज शाइनी एंड इट इज अवेलेबल इन एनी कलर. जो कलर की रोप आप चाहिए आप ले सकते हो. देखो अगर नायलॉन की रोप आपके घर पे है तो आप रेड हो सकती है, ब्राउन हो सकती है, व्हाइट हो सकती है, कलरलेस भी हो सकती है. आपके टूथब्रश के ब्रिसल्स देखो अलग अलग कलर में आते हैं. व्हाट दैट आर मेड अप ऑफ? दैट ऑल आर मेड अप ऑफ नायलॉन. ठीक है? ओके, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. What we have discussed about the rayon and we have discussed about the nylon. These two topics you read from your textbook very carefully. Write their points which I have told you, which I have may not told you, that you complete from your textbook and write down. In next session we will talk about the next synthetic fiber, that is polyester and acrylic. Thank you.